Finally, we have reached the hotel.
Yes, finally. That was a really long journey.
I'm so tired right now. I just want to relax.
Same here. I didn't get any proper rest during the flight.
But look at this place. The hotel looks really nice.
Yeah, it looks clean and quite modern. I think we made a good choice.
I hope the room is comfortable too.
Don't worry, I checked everything before booking. It should be good.
That's great. I really need a comfortable bed right now.
You'll get it first. Let's check in quickly.
Alright, let's go inside.
Good evening, sir. Welcome to our hotel. How can I help you?
Good evening. I have a reservation.
Sure. May I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Daniel Silva. I booked online.
Let me check, sir. Yes, Mr. Silva. I found your booking.
That's great. We just arrived from Portugal and we are very tired.
I understand. It must have been a long journey.
Yes, it was. The flight was long and we didn't get much rest.
No problem. I will make your check-in quick and easy. You are staying for 3 nights, correct?
Yes, that's right.
Would you like a room on a higher floor or a lower floor?
We prefer a quiet room.
In that case, I will give you a room on a higher floor. It is quieter.
That sounds perfect.
Everything is set. Your room number is 73.
Thank you.
Would you like a wake-up call in the morning?
Yes, please.
What time would you like?
Sweetheart, what time should we wake up?
7 a.m. please.
Okay, breakfast is available in our restaurant from 7:30 to 10 a.m.
Is breakfast included in our booking?
Yes, breakfast is included.
That's nice.
Excuse me, can I ask something?
Yes, of course.
Is there a good shopping mall near the hotel?
Yes, there is a very popular shopping mall nearby.
How far is it from here?
It is about 10 minutes by car.
What can we find there?
You can find many shops, clothing stores, electronics and restaurants.
That sounds great. I would love to go shopping.
Can you tell us the name of the mall?
It is called City Center Mall.
How can we get there?
You can take a taxi or a bus.
Which is better?
Taxi is faster and more comfortable.
Okay, we will take a taxi.
What time would you like to go?
Sweetheart, what time should we go?
Let's go around 11 a.m.
No problem. I will arrange it for you.
Thank you so much.
Excuse me. One more question.
Yes. Go ahead.
Is there Wi-Fi in the hotel?
Yes, we have free Wi-Fi.
That's good. What is the password?
The password is written on your room card.
Great.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
No. That's all. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Come on, sweetheart. Let's go to our room.
Yes, let's go. Finally, we are in the room. I'm so tired.
Yes, me too. That was a really long journey.
But the room looks really nice.
Yes. It's clean, comfortable and quite peaceful.
Let me sit for a while.
Of course. Take your time. You didn't get proper rest on the flight.
Yes, I couldn't sleep well at all.
Same here. But at least we are here now.
Yes, and England already feels so different and beautiful.
I'm really excited to explore the city tomorrow.
What's the plan for tomorrow?
I think we should go to the shopping mall first.
That sounds good. I want to buy some clothes.
And I need a jacket. The weather here is quite cold.
Yes, it's definitely colder than Portugal.
We should also buy some gifts for our family.
Yes, maybe some nice souvenirs.
Perfect, that will be great.
By the way, did you check the Wi-Fi?
Yes, the password is written on the room card.
That's good. I'll call my mother later.
Sure, you can use it anytime.
I really like this place. It feels comfortable.
Me too. I'm glad we chose this hotel.
You always make good plans.
Only because I want everything to be perfect for us.
That's really sweet. I'm really excited for tomorrow.
Me too. We'll explore, shop, and enjoy our time.
This trip is already feeling special.
Yes, because we're spending it together.
I'm really happy.
Yeah, same here. Alright, let's get some rest now. We have to wake up early and explore the city tomorrow.
Yes, let's get some rest now. Welcome to Learn English with Kylie. Now it's time to test your English. I'm going to ask you some questions. Pause the video and write your answers in the comments. Don't worry about mistakes. I will correct you and help you improve. Don't hesitate. Just try. Question number 1. Choose the correct sentence. A. We was very tired. B. We were very tired. C. We are very tired yesterday. Question 2. Fill in the blank. We blank reached the hotel. A has, B have, C is. Question 3. Choose the correct sentence. Option A. The room look nice. Option B. The room looks nice. Option C. The room looking nice. Question 4. Past tense of arrive is. Option A. Arrived. Option B. Arrive. Option C. Arriving. Question 5. Choose the correct sentence. Option A. I am very exciting. Option B. I am very excited. Option C. I very excited. Final question. Write one sentence. What will you do tomorrow? Now it's your turn. Comment your answers below. I will reply with the correct answers. If you want to improve your English daily, don't forget to subscribe our channel.